This is Ruby Beach and Olympic National Park. So I'm on the beach, Ruby Beach and Olympic, and my wife said, "Hey, doesn't that look like a face?" And I see a warrior, like a mask on a warrior's face. Does anybody else see that? She said she saw King Kong. I don't see that yet. What do you think? Warrior or King Kong or something else? Trees just laying on the beach that were once part of these cliffs, you know? And they're just all up and down. Kind of back-ending this landscape as it meets these green hills. And the ocean right next to it. And then there's all these minerals. So on Ruby Beach, you have one side ocean, hits the land here, an island. And then on the other side, you have a whole nother beach. And they kind of are separated by this one stretch of land here.